guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. It's time for some happy mail. This special mail comes from Jovi. Her YouTube channel name is Creating with Jovi. You guys already probably all know her, but if you are new to her, she has some wonderful collaboration. She has Tassel Tuesday and makes the most amazing tassels. And she also makes the most beautiful junk journals and some wonderful crafty ideas. So make sure to head on to her channel, put the link down below. But let's open it up and see what she sent me. Again, Jovi, thank you so much. Let us see. Oh my goodness, look at this packaging. Just look at those colors. Oh my gosh. So Jovi also has an Etsy shop, and I'll link all the information down below. I love the piano theme on this envelope. Let me read it. This note for you. Oh, how adorable. Let me just read this real quick. Thank you so much, Jovi. It did arrive on time. I was late going to my post office, so thank you so much. She has created this wonderful fabric bundle. Now Jovi also does Thrifty Thursdays, and wow, she finds again the most amazing things as well. I just love all the fun items that she's found. Like, I remember seeing this in one of her thrift hauls, and it's just amazing what people find. So if you love thrifting, journaling, and crafting, you will love her channel. Let's quickly look at this beautiful bundle that she's prepared for me. Oh my god, there is not only one but two. Oh my goodness, Jovi, this is so sweet. So let me open this up, and I think this is the entry. These are the extra goodies. You are so sweet. I love this. I remember her making, I mean, she makes so many journals, but one of my favorites were the Bridgerton themed ones. I enjoyed watching that series. I'm still catching up with season 2. Look at these colors. How fun is this? And I've seen this. I know she sells some of these bundles on her Etsy shop. What a fun starter kit here. If you're just getting into junk journaling, how fun is it to get a wonderful bundle that you can use for journaling? Look at those flowers. And here is the flip side. That is just beautiful. Oh my goodness. She has shared this beautiful, look at that teal blue, the butterflies, Eiffel Tower. All of these elements work really well with vintage junk journaling. I love that. And her flamingo fabric, oh my gosh, that is too cute. I love it. That is so fun. Let's look at the second bundle here. Wow. Love this. This is an orange one with some yellow. How fun is that? Oh my goodness, see, you have to really look really well. Look at that satin floral piece there. That is going to be fun to use. And then we have some of our browns here. That is so pretty. I love the orange colors there too. Love the texture on this one. Isn't that pretty? That will look really nice on a nature journal. So beautiful. And she's also shared some of these lace trims. I love this. Super pretty. Thank you. And then we have some of these trims. Lace trim too in a smaller size. Oh my gosh. Now let's have a look and see what's in this piece here. Let's open it up. I love the stickers, or washi, I mean. Beautifully packaged. Gosh. Oh my goodness, look at that! Look at how adorable this ATC card is. She has used a vintage flamingo playing card, and she's created this dimensional sticker on top. I love the crown, the flowers for the feeling of our spring. I hope you guys are enjoying your spring weather. On the back side, I have some information that I'll be reading. Her channel's Creating with Jovi, and her Etsy shop has the same name, Creating with Jovi. Instagram is the same. Her favorite color is pink and yellow. Her birthday is December 27th. And her likes are vintage from 1800s to the 1950s. She also loves birds and the beach. And in terms of style, not anyone's style. So yes, I am the same. I'm pretty much very eclectic, but my favorites are definitely similar to hers as well, vintage. But this is so adorable. I love this. Thank you so much, Jovi. We have one more little item here, and I am excited to see what this is. Oh my gosh. I just love that pizza washi there. Oh wow! Look at this! She has made me a mini journal with this flamingo on the top. That is so pretty. I love the fabric that you've used here. There are 3 signatures in there. Let's go ahead and open this up. How pretty is that flower and the washi? I think this is paper. Beautiful. That is so fun. It says friends. That is so cute. We have some graphing paper. This will definitely make a super fun summer journal, and I love the pocket size so I can bring it along with me. Love this. This might be her eco-dyed paper. Love the vintage there. Little summer theme here. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Love that plumeria sticker. Here is our second signature. This is super cute. Wow. Thank you so much, Jovi. This is really super sweet. I cannot wait to journal in here. And she's added on the center of the signature are little bead dangles. One was a heart and the other was a little candy. Super adorable. I love it. Oh, I love that image, that spring vibe with the flowers and the butterfly. We have the third signature here. So many fun ideas, and again, guys, check out her channel. She makes some really fun journals and so many fun crafty projects that are sure to inspire everyone. I love this. I love the different stickers you used, and usually when you see flamingo stickers are always just standing up on one foot or leg, I mean. And here I love that there's different variations. I love this digital flower, and the texture of this paper is really nice. And in the back we have this beautiful floral die, and it says handmade by Creating with Jovi. Super awesome. Thank you so much, Jovi, for joining my birthday challenge giveaway. This was so much fun to unbox. I love the fabric bundles and extra goodies that you have shared with me. I cannot wait to use them all. And I love the super fun junk journal with the flamingo theme. It is so adorable, and I love this ATC card. So again, guys, I hope you enjoyed this Happy Mail unboxing. Make sure to check out the giveaway playlist to see all the entries that were sent for this challenge, and hopefully you can find some wonderful inspiration and check out Jovi's channel as well. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.